Hi, it's very nice to meet you. Welcome to the Castle of Mombasa. My name is Simone, and I am your electronic tour guide to the area of the castle. The pleasure is all mine. I hope you are ready for a walk in the castle. But before we start, would you like me to give you some brief information about our tour, and the way you can use the system? Great! Our tour will take us through the lower town of the castle, that is the settlement that has been built on the lower area of the rock, and it is directly connected with the main gate of the castle. Our routes are consisted of a number of landmarks, objects that exclusively characterize the area of the castle, like, for example, pathways, trees, signs, etc., and locations. I will use these landmarks as photographs that will appear behind me, and verbal instructions enhanced with proper pointing gestures on how to reach a landmark, to guide you from location to location. In order to navigate between the landmarks and locations, you have to use the buttons Next and Previous in this window. From the particular window, you will also be able to ask me to magnify pictures, for instance, like the picture of the map, or to pause the presentation of information about a location, in order to have time to watch it closer. Once you get to a location, you will be able to ask me to present you personalized information about the site, as well as to freely ask me questions after my presentation. To speak to me, use the Enter button on the device. After you ask a question, use the space button to stop me from listening any further. I hope you will find the tour interesting and fun. Unless you have any questions, we may begin our tour now. We will visit 3 attractions of the castle: the castle's main gate, the House of Yanis Ritzes, and the main square. All 3 locations are among the most interesting sites in the castle. I hope you will enjoy the tour. Currently, this is technically impossible. Future versions of the system may include such functionality. But please don't worry, the routes that I have chosen for you include some of the most interesting attractions of the castle. During our tour of the castle, I will do my best to ensure that you will not get lost. However, in case of such unlikely event, I won't be able to help you. But Yanis, who will be following you for the whole duration of the tour, will be there to help and get you back onto the planned route. Of course, using the system is a simple process. Use the buttons Next and Previous, either with the stylus or your finger, to navigate from attraction to attraction, and the button Enter to ask me anything you like about the attractions that we will visit. After you ask a question, please don't forget to use the space button to stop me from listening any further. In case that in any of these locations you would like me to pause my description, use the pause button that will appear here once we reach a location. Finally, if you would like to magnify any of the pictures that will appear behind me, simply tap the button Magnify. Just tap the button Next.